Every great football begins its journey inside a modern factory. Here, advanced machines and skilled workers work together to create one of the world's most popular sports products. Today,
The process starts with high-quality synthetic leather, rubber, and fabric materials. These raw materials are carefully delivered to the factory and inspected to ensure they meet strict quality standards.
large sheets of synthetic leather are fed into precision cutting machines. The machines cut hundreds of penthexagon panels that will later form the football's iconic.
Each panel is carefully inspected for accuracy. Even a small defect can affect the final performance of the football, so quality control is essential.
Next, the classic black and white pattern is printed onto the panels. Advanced printing technology ensures that every football has a clean, professional appearance. While the outer panels are prepared, another team manufactures the rubber bladder. This important component holds air and gives the football its bounce and shape. The football starts taking shape as workers assemble the panels around the bladder. Precision is critical during this stage to ensure perfect balance.
Specialized stitching machines strengthen the football's structure. These machines work quickly, while maintaining consistent quality.
Experienced workers complete the final stitching by hand. Their skill helps create a durable football, capable of handling intense matches and training sessions. Now the football is inflated. As air fills the bladder, the ball expands into its familiar round shape. This is the moment when the football truly comes to life. Every football must pass strict pressure tests. Engineers check for air leaks and verify that the ball maintains the correct inflation level. Automated testing equipment measures bounce performance. The football must meet international standards before moving to the next stage. Quality inspectors examine each football carefully. They check stitching, shape, weight, appearance, and durability to ensure a perfect product. After passing all inspections, the footballs are cleaned, labeled, and packaged. Each ball is prepared for shipment to stores and customers around the world. From raw materials to a finished football, every step requires precision, technology, and skilled craftsmanship. The completed footballs are loaded onto trucks and shipped. Thank you for watching the complete football manufacturing process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory production videos.